Look at this. This technique is wonderful technique for improving on your fluency. मैं आपके पास अभी right now मैं आपको 3-4 स्टेप इसके देने वाला हूं. Okay? And look at this. This is I, this is you, they are at the back, he is on the left, she is on the right, and that makes we. And this is good for your fluency. This is good for reducing grammatical mistakes and improving on your English. इसके बिना आप कोई भी और चीज करोगे बहुत लंबा टाइम लगेगा आपको. This is an awesome one. And here I go. I'm taking up go, went, gone from the easiest bunch. Go, went, and gone. Alright? And here I go. I go, you go, they go, he goes, she goes, we go. I'm going, you are going, they are going, he's going, she's going, we are going. I've gone, you have gone, they have gone, he has gone, she has gone, we have gone. I have been going since morning, you have been going since morning, they have been going since morning, he has been going since morning, she has been going since morning, we have been going since morning. I went, you went, they went, he went, she went, we went. I was going, you were going, they were going, he was going, she was going, we were going. I had gone, you had gone, they had gone, he had gone, she had gone, we had gone. I had been going since morning, you had been going since morning, they had been going since morning, he had been going since morning, she had been going since morning, we had been going since morning. I shall go, you will go, they'll go, he'll go, she'll go, we shall go. I shall be going, you'll be going, they'll be going, he'll be going, she'll be going, we shall be going. I shall have gone, you will have gone, they will have gone, he will have gone, she will have gone, we shall have gone. I shall have been going since morning, you will have been going since morning, they will have been going since morning, he will have been going since morning, she will have been going since morning, we shall have been going since morning. Khatam, finished, 72 sentences are over. सबसे पहले मैंने क्या किया, इसे मैंने बोला प्रेजेंट टेंस. प्रेजेंट टेंस, उसके बाद पास्ट टेंस, and then I spoke future tense, and I took a very simple irregular verb. This is irregular verb.
All were absent last time. Reasons? You all three are there on Facebook. Your Facebook account.
Those who are not in the Facebook account, go out. आप लोग आपको चाहिए आप quickly. अच्छा, okay. So this is an irregular verb. Now what is that irregular verb? Irregular verb वो होता है जिसमें ed नहीं लगता. आपने देखा इसमें go went gone के अंदर go का गोड नहीं होता, गोड 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 नहीं होता. इट्स अ go went gone because it's an irregular verb. जैसे है आपका कट कट कट, इसमें कट 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 नहीं होता, हिट हिट इट नहीं होता, जिसमें भी ed नहीं लगता, that is irregular verb. So this is irregular verb. और आपको जितनी भी प्रैक्टिस करनी है वो irregular verb से ही करनी है. इन टोटल इंग्लिश डिक्शनरी के अंदर 80,000 verbs हैं. या there are 80,000 verbs. और irregular verbs कितने हैं पता है आपको? Irregular verbs. Sorry. Irregular verbs कितने हैं?
More than 80,000.
No, irregular verbs है सिर्फ 400. इसका मतलब है regular verbs कितने हैं? 79,600. और ऊपर से regular verbs हैं जिसमें ed लगता है. तो आपको प्रैक्टिस करने की जरूरत ही क्या है? आप प्रैक्टिस करो सिर्फ 400 वर्ड्स के साथ में. और इन 400 से भी 200 जो है वो ऑब्सोलीट हो चुके हैं, खत्म हो चुके हैं, क्योंकि irregular verb अब नहीं बनते. irregular verb पहले होते थे 500, 600, 700, 800 साल पहले, तो ऑब्सोलीट हो चुके हैं. तो सिर्फ 200 वर्ड के सामने प्रैक्टिस करना और कुछ मत करना. ऑलराइट, ये आपको कैसे मिलेंगे? गूगल में जाइए, उसमें लिखिए irregular verb, पूरी लिस्ट सामने आ जाएगी. ठीक है? Ask me no questions. So this is go and gone, step number 1. Step number 2, negative. I don't go, you don't go, they don't go, he doesn't go, she doesn't go, we don't go. I aren't going, you aren't going, they aren't going, he isn't going, she isn't going, we aren't going. I haven't gone, you haven't gone, they haven't gone, he hasn't gone, she hasn't gone, we haven't gone. I haven't been going since morning, you haven't been going since morning, they haven't been going since morning, he hasn't been going since morning, she hasn't been going since morning, we haven't been going since morning. I didn't go, you didn't go, they didn't go, he didn't go, she didn't go, we didn't go. I wasn't going, you weren't going, they weren't going, we wasn't going, she wasn't going, we weren't going. I hadn't gone, you hadn't gone, they hadn't gone, he hadn't gone, she hadn't gone, we hadn't gone. I hadn't been going since morning, you hadn't been going since morning, they hadn't been going since morning, he hadn't been going since morning, she hadn't been going since morning, we hadn't been going since morning. I won't go, you won't go, they won't go, he won't go, she won't go, we won't go. I won't be going, you won't be going, they won't be going, he won't be going, she won't be going, we won't be going. I wouldn't have gone, you won't have gone, they won't have gone, he won't have gone, she won't have gone, we won't have gone. I won't have been going since morning, you won't have been going since morning, they won't have been going since morning, he won't have been going since morning, she won't have been going since morning, we won't have been going since morning. आपको इसकी प्रैक्टिस करते हुए क्या लगना है? इट ऑल डिपेंड्स कि आप कितनी बारी प्रैक्टिस करके फ्लुएंसी लेके आते हो. जैसे आप, अच्छा ऐसे नहीं बोलना, आई विल यू गो देखो यू गो 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 आई एम गोइंग यू आर गोइंग दे आर गोइंग ही इज गोइंग शी इज गोइंग. दिस इज अ रॉन्ग वे ऑफ स्पीकिंग. और ऐसे इसके साथ में अगर ऐसे बोलते हो, अगर आप आई गो, यू गो, दे गो, and he पता नहीं कौन है वो, और she goes and हाँ we go and I was going एकदम से flawless होना चाहिए. आपको तब तक प्रैक्टिस करनी है, तब तक आपको नेक्स्ट स्टेप पे नहीं जाना जब तक आपकी ये I go you go एकदम से फ्लुएंटली आपके जुबान पे सिट नहीं करती. That was step number 2. वही ठहर जाइए आप. आपकी रिकॉर्डिंग हो रही है, फेसबुक में लिखना है इसमें. Number 3 is negative and interrogative both. अब इसमें क्या होगा? Don't I go? Don't you go? Don't they go? Doesn't he go? Doesn't she go? Don't we go? Aren't I going? Aren't you going? Aren't they going? Isn't he going? Isn't she going? Aren't we going? Haven't I gone? Haven't you gone? Haven't they gone? Hasn't he gone? Hasn't she gone? Haven't we gone? Haven't I been going since morning? Haven't you been going since morning? Haven't they been going since morning? Hasn't he been going since morning? Hasn't she been going since morning? Haven't we been going since morning? Didn't I go? Didn't you go? Didn't they go? Didn't he go? Didn't she go? Didn't we go? Wasn't I going? Weren't you going? Weren't they going? Wasn't he going? Wasn't she going? Weren't we going? Hadn't I gone? Hadn't you gone? Hadn't they gone? Hadn't he gone? Hadn't she gone? Hadn't we gone? Hadn't I been going since morning? Hadn't you been going since morning? Hadn't they been going since morning? Hadn't he been going since morning? Hadn't she been going since morning? Hadn't we been going since morning? Want I go? Want you go? Want they go? Want he go? Want she go? Want we go? Want I be going? Want you be going? Want they be going? Want he be going? Want she be going? Want we be going? What have I gone? What have you gone? What have they gone? What have he gone? What have she gone? What have we gone? What have I been going this morning? What have you been going this morning? What have they been going this morning? What have he been going this morning? What have she been going this morning? What have we been going this morning? Step number 3. उसके बाद आप ऐसे उठा सकते हैं इररेगुलर वर्ब्स कोई और उठा लीजिए. मान लीजिए आपने लिया बाय बॉट बॉट. अब लीजिए आप इसके साथ प्रैक्टिस में नंबर 4 में आपको इन वर्ब का यूज करना है. कैसे? I buy, you buy, they buy, he buys, she buys, we buy. I'm buying, you are buying, they are buying, he's buying, she's buying, we are buying. I've bought, you've bought, they have bought, he has bought, she has bought, we have bought. I have been buying since morning, you have been buying since morning. बस वो स्टेप आपने लेने, सिर्फ अपने irregular verb को चेंज कर देना है. Go and gone की जगह पर वो जो 200 वर्ड की लिस्ट है, 400 आएगा, 400 में से 2 आपको अपने पता लग जाएगा. बहुत ही खराब खराब से आपके होंगे जिसको आपने कभी सुना नहीं है, उनको उठा के फेंक दीजिए. बाकी 200 के साथ प्रैक्टिस कर लीजिए. वही आपका स्टेप नंबर 4 हो जाएगा. All clear? Finish this.